In the syllabus, there's a requirement for you to engage in some discussions. Again, if there are 3 or more students in the class, you have to kind of engage in discussions via the discussion forum. If there are fewer than 3 students, then basically it's just the write-up. You know, again, 3 or more students, the write-up plus engaging in the discussion forum, and if less than 3 students, just the write-up. Short and sweet, 1 page, double-spaced, just a reaction to the question. And basically, here are the 4 questions in a nutshell. The first one will center around one of the content modules that talks about careers, and you've had some videotape with that. But basically, based on the career module, what would be the best match for you if you were heading into the mental health field? What would be the best match for you, and why? Would it be clinical psychology? Would it be counseling psychology, comparative, sports, social, industrial, organizational? What would be the best match for you, and why? The second discussion revolves around the module that's called Principles of Counseling. You know, and I've highlighted 3 of the most important things: therapeutic alliance, accurate diagnosis, and the selection of an appropriate intervention strategy. But there are many more things that can contribute to successful treatment outcomes, and that's outlined in the Principles of Counseling module. So as you read that module, when you're finished with that, what was the most eye-opening element in that material, and why? The third item is based on the 3 Forces in Psychology content module. So after you read that and you learn a little bit about psychoanalysis, which was the first force, behaviorism, and humanism, which one would you gravitate more towards, and why? Okay, based on the 3 forces. And finally, the last module, that I'm going to ask you to do a discussion on. I think there are more than 4 modules, but the last module I'll ask you to do it on are additional forces in psychology. And there is a little bit of discussion about making multiculturalism the 4th force in psychology. And what do you think about that concept? And just kind of your reactions to that. You think it is a 4th force? If not, why not? If so, why? Yeah. So those are your 4 discussion issues, and I hope you enjoy the reflections, but make it short and sweet. They don't have to be time consuming. 1 page, double spaced. I think that will be sufficient. Thank you so much, and again, enjoy the rest of the course.